Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to generate Ghibli-style art using Google Gemini step by step. Google Gemini can generate and edit images directly from prompts, which makes it useful for creating artistic illustrations from simple text descriptions. So let us see the complete demo. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. Once Gemini opens, go to the prompt box at the bottom. Now click the plus icon near the prompt box. From the available options, select Create Images. Google's current Gemini interface provides this option from the Tools menu for image generation. Now we need to describe the image that we want. For this demo, let us create a peaceful animated countryside scene with a hand-painted Japanese animation feel. I will enter this prompt. Create a whimsical, hand-painted anime-style illustration of a peaceful countryside village surrounded by green hills, small houses, flowers, and a beautiful blue sky. Use warm colors, soft lighting, expressive details, and a magical storybook atmosphere. Now let us send the prompt. Gemini starts generating the image. After a few moments, you can see the result directly in the conversation. You can see that Gemini has taken the details from our prompt, such as the countryside, green hills, soft colors, and storybook atmosphere, and combined them into an artistic illustration. Now suppose I like the result, but I want to make the scene more cinematic. I can continue with a follow-up prompt. I will enter this. Edit this image and make it more cinematic. Add golden sunset lighting, a small river beside the village, more flowers, and soft clouds in the sky. Keep the same hand-painted anime style. Now Gemini can create an updated version based on the same image and our new instructions. Google's official help confirms that Gemini can edit generated images and also supports uploaded images for editing in supported experiences. This is useful because we do not need to generate everything again from the beginning. We can keep refining the same concept through conversation. Now let us try another example. Suppose I want a character-focused illustration instead of a landscape. I can enter this prompt. Create a charming hand-drawn anime-style illustration of a young traveler standing beside a small train station in the countryside. Add green mountains, wildflowers, warm afternoon sunlight, and a peaceful magical atmosphere. Gemini generates a completely new image based on this description. You can also control many other details through the prompt. For example, you can mention the environment, lighting, mood, colors, camera angle, character expression, or overall artistic feel. If the first result is not what you expected, simply use follow-up prompts. You can say, make the colors softer. Add more background details. Make the scene look more magical. Or change the scene from daytime to sunset. Gemini will use those instructions to refine the result. So let us quickly recap. Open Google Gemini. Click the plus icon. Select Create Images. Describe the scene you want in detail. Generate the image. Then use follow-up prompts to change the lighting, background, colors, mood, or other details. Using this simple workflow, you can quickly create a beautiful hand-painted anime-inspired artwork directly inside Google Gemini.